Hi, in today's short video, I'll be going through ionic bonding, which is between a metal and non-metal. The example that I'll be using is sodium and chlorine. The information taken from the periodic table shows me that sodium has 11 protons, based on the atomic number of 11. So since it is an atom, being electrically neutral, it should have an equal number of electrons, which is 11 as well. So therefore, after converting it into the electronic configuration, I should get 2, 8, 1. This is because the first shell can be completely filled by 2 electrons. The second shell onwards is 8 electrons. Since it has 1 electron in the last shell, there is a tendency to lose that one single electron to become 2.8. Therefore, if I draw a sodium ion, this is how it will look like. The first shell will be designated and I'll be using 2 crosses. The second shell will be 8 crosses as the electrons. So do remember to include the brackets and a positive charge overall because it has lost 1 electron. Next, for chlorine, it has an atomic number of 17. Therefore, it has 17 electrons and protons. Converting this to electronic configuration, it will be 2, 8, 7. There is a tendency for nonmetals such as chlorine to gain electrons. So in this case, it gains 1 electron to achieve a noble gas electronic configuration of 288. Now when we draw non-metal ions such as chlorine, we do need to be very careful about the last shell because there is 1 electron that's received elsewhere. So for chlorine, I will be using dots to differentiate it from sodium. So first, second shell is 2 and 8 electrons. In the third shell, I will draw the original 7 electrons first with the dots, followed by a cross which shows the electron transfer from sodium. Lastly, do include the brackets as well as a negative sign to show that it is negatively charged overall as an ion. Now the sodium has a single positive charge, the chlorine has a single negative charge, so it is in a 1:1 ratio. So therefore the formula for sodium chloride is NaCl.